The VVX D60 wireless handset is a unique wireless solution that is provisioned and updated through the VVX desk phone. It is simple to install and easy to use. The following are included in the Polycom VVX D60 base station box: VVX D60 wireless handset, VVX D60 base station, power adapter. Some SKUs are power over Ethernet only, so the power supply may be ordered separately. 1 network cable, wireless handset belt clip, wireless handset 2.5mm to 3.5mm headset adapter, battery pack, quick start guide. The Polycom VVX D60 supports power over Ethernet, so if the network supports PoE then a power supply is not needed. Connect the PoE network cable to the LAN port on the base station and the other end to the PoE switch. Plug the power cable into the base station and then plug the other end of the power adapter into the main power wall outlet. To connect a laptop to the VVX base station, plug the Ethernet cable into the base station PC port. This step is optional and an extra network cable is not included. Plug the network cable provided with your base station into the base station LAN port and plug the other end into the VVX phone PC port. Please note that for the PC port pairing mode, the base station must be powered with a power supply for automatic pairing. You do not need to connect an Ethernet cable from the base station to the VVX. All you need is the base station LAN port to be connected to the Ethernet for the automatic pairing configuration. The base station can be powered with a power supply or power over Ethernet. If the base station is powered with both PoE and PSU, the priority will be given to the PoE. Now let's demonstrate how to connect the battery and the belt clip to a handset and how to use the base station to charge the handset. You're able to connect a headset directly to the handset or to the 2.5 to 3.5mm adapter.